everybody's doing well. Well, today I'm here to bring you guys a Dollar Tree haul. It has been a long time since I've been to the Dollar Tree. Well, no, that's not true. I've been to the Dollar Tree, but I really haven't bought like a whole bunch or much, really. Basically, I go to get this every time I go, and pretty much that's it, and a couple items. But this stuff here, the Works tub and shower, this is awesome. This is so awesome. So I got 2 of them, so tomorrow I will clean my kids' bathtub. But nothing cleans it like this. I've been cleaning their bathtub with like Kaboom and things like that, and then scrub it with some Comet, and it's cleaning it, but this stuff here is like the best. Okay, so why don't we just get right into it then, since I showed you that one already. I got the Tidy Bowl Continuous Blue Water Powerful Cleaning Detergent. I got 2 of these. That's all they had was 2, so I picked up the 2 and put one in my kids' bathroom and my bathroom. I also picked this up, the LA's Totally Awesome Power Oxygen Base Cleaner, and it's chlorine free. And what I want to do, you just throw it into your washer. Now you're supposed to fill it up with water first and then put it in your water in your washer, but I have a front loader, so I'm just gonna throw in a couple of Molly's coming in, a couple of just like a little bit of it, and then just throw it in with the clothes and see how it works. So hopefully this works good. My husband needed some super glue, so he picked up some super glue. I've got the Huggies Simply Clean, just Huggy wipes to keep at my makeup table. So I got that. Picked up my Yardley London soap. I love this stuff, guys. You know, guys, I've been using Oil of Olay, okay, because that's what I have right now. I had it since moving here and everything. I was just using what I have, and I had a big old 6-pack of Oil of Olay. It dries my skin out, believe it or not. That dries my skin out. It just, I don't like it. And also, I've been washing my makeup brushes with that, and it does not clean. And my makeup brushes, believe it or not, I have a hard time cleaning it with that. But with the Yardley, they get so clean so quickly, and they're soft. So, and it cleans my body too. So I got the oatmeal and almond. Usually I like the shea butter one, but they didn't have that one, so I picked these up. So I got 6 of those. Okay, let's see. For my dogs, I have been seeing everybody haul these, or the people that I watch haul these Nature's Choice. They only had the pig ears. These are for my dogs. I got one for Chulo and one for Molly, and I don't know if they'll like it. This is the first time. It says product of Germany, but everybody that I see gives this to their dogs, and their dogs like it, so I'll let you know how my dogs like it. So I got that. My husband likes to get the candy there at Dollar Tree. So when they have movie night, they have candy ready to go. So my husband loves hot tamales, and then he gets these Sour Punch ones for the kids. So we just save these in the cupboard for movie night. And they always know Dad will have that ready for them when they put the movie on. All right. Oh, the other thing I got for the dog was this Pure Alpo T-bone steak, the little T-bone steaks. You got these. So we'll see. I think my dogs have had this before, and I think they do like it. Okay, let's see. I got my friend Angela, if you're watching, she had written to me. We wanted to do a pen pal kind of a thing, and she wrote to me, and I have her letter. It's ready, you know, I have it, and I'm supposed to write her back, and I hadn't. And then with the move and everything, I just couldn't get to it. But I got me some stationery paper, so I will write you Angela now. So I got this one. They had a lot of other designs, but I picked this one. And this from Jot, and you get 40 sheets. So I'll be writing my friend Angela, because we plan to do, like, you know, instead of emails and things like that, or text messages, to write about each other and get to know each other better. So yeah. Okay, and then I picked up the washi tape. I picked up this one here. And it has cute little blue elephant. I believe that's a blue elephant. I got that one, and then I got this one here, which I said, oh, it's the same thing. It's the same one. It's the same thing. So I got that one, and then I got this multicolor polka dots. I got that one. Okay, and then I got the Dove Intensive Cream. I saw a couple of people haul this and was really excited to have found that there. Oh, it's sealed. It's sealed, which is good, really good. They had a whole bunch. They had a whole bunch of these. And then I got this here, the coconut oil formula, the Palmer's lip balm, and I got this for my little guy. He gets really bad chapped lips and here with the winds and things. So I got him that, and I'm gonna put this in his backpack for him so he can have that. Okay, I got the Kiss Super Bond glue for my nails. And for nails, I got the French tip. I love the Sassy and Chic nails. I really, really do. I much prefer this than like any other brand. They're just so easy to work with. The only thing is I need to figure out how to apply this to my nail because it doesn't have that little grip. And it makes it a little bit harder. But anyway, I got 2 of these. And these were the only 2 in this particular style. The French tips. They had the other French tips, but they had like a design, a different design to it. Okay, and then I was super, super excited to have found these. Now, every time I go to the Dollar Tree and everything, they never have anything that you guys haul. But I can't believe that I found the Kiss Gel nail polishes. So I got this one here, Dream Fit. I think that's what it's called, which is a very light powdery pink color. I got this one here, which is called Manicorn, I think. It's a beautiful lavender color. I think that's what it's called, guys. I don't have my readers on. I just have my contacts on. And my contacts are only for seeing, you know, a little bit of ways. But I think it's called a Manicorn, I think. And then I got this a little bit darker pink color. A little bit darker. And this one is called something tote. Favorite tote? I don't know. Terrible being blind. Or not being able to read, rather. Okay, I hope that showed up. And then I got this really pretty, this one's In the Day. Very beautiful purpley fuchsia-y color. Kind of like what I'm wearing, but more deeper. And they had other colors, and I might go back and get them because there was an orange one that I absolutely loved. Okay, and then I picked this one up. This is from Sinful Colors, and it's pink, kind of like, let me take it out of the package. So it's this pink one. It's Candy from Candy Johnson, and it's so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. Really pretty. And then I got this one here, which is also very, very pretty. I have similar color to this, but this one has a pearlescent or iridescence of purple in there. And oh my goodness, it is so pretty. And yeah, those were all the nail polishes that I picked up. And then I got the Amope. Now this is just the nail care oil. So enriched with nourishing 7 oil complex. So I got that one. Now I know everybody was hauling the Amope, the big thing to, I think it's to like scrub your feet, I think it was. They didn't have any there. But I was glad to get the oils. Oops. And that was it, guys. That is all that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I went to a brand new Dollar Tree, actually. And I love that Dollar Tree. It is so nice. They seem to carry everything that you guys are hauling, and I feel like if I get there early enough, I think that Dollar Tree will have it. You know what I mean? So as soon as I see something that you guys haul and I like it, I'm going to try that Dollar Tree first before trying any other one. Because that one seems to be very, very neat, stocked, and bigger. And it just, yeah, I like what they had, the selection they had. Okay, my friends, that is it. I will let you guys know how this works, this one here. If you guys want to know, I can come back and let you guys know how that works. This one here, the works, though, guys, if you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. They have a blue one where it has like a toilet for toilet cleaners, but I love this for the bathtubs. It's just the best, the absolute best. And that is it, my friends. That's all that I picked up there at the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I will see you guys again in my next Dollar Tree.